What's good, YouTube? Jerry here, back with another video, and hope you guys had a great 2019 so far. I know I have been spending time with family and friends. But anyways, in today's video, I will be going over fashion tips that you should consider for the fall-winter season. So if that sounds interesting to you, please continue watching. Also, I haven't done really this kind of tutorial style video on this YouTube channel yet, so if you guys have any suggestions for me, please leave them down in the comments. But anyways, in today's video, there are 3 things you should consider when it comes to styling for the fall-winter season. The first thing is color, which includes your grayscale and earth tones, which I will touch on later. The second thing is layering, or just putting on multiple layers. And the final thing is developing or just having your own style. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So when it comes to styling for the fall-winter seasons, one of the most crucial aspects of fashion, in my opinion, is color. And for the fall-winter season, you want to be using your grayscale tones and your earth tones. So for your grayscale tones, that includes your blacks, your whites, your grays. And for your earth tones, you have your mustards, your browns, your olives, your burgundies, and so on. Right now, I'll be showing you guys a video of me wearing some fall-winter colors. So let's see that. So in this outfit, I am wearing a Vimont cut-up t-shirt with a very bright red and blue logo. And I paired it with these tan sand-colored khakis. And I think this outfit really goes well in the fall-winter season, as it does have that earth tone of the pants, and the t-shirt is just something I really like to wear, and it just goes well with the khakis in general. For the shoes, I am wearing the Converse Chuck Taylor Fear of God collaboration, as it is a black and white shoe, and it can go with almost any outfit you can do during the fall-winter season. Alright, so now that we've covered colors for the fall-winter season, I will now move on to layering. So obviously, it's really cold outside as it is the fall-winter season, and we want to keep ourselves warm. And how do we do that? Well, we obviously put on multiple layers. So for example, you can wear a jacket over a hoodie, or you can wear multiple t-shirts, whatever fits your style, really. So right now, I'm going to show some footage of me layering. So as you can see in this outfit, I am wearing a black Champion hoodie under a navy Zara jacket, and this is paired with some light distressed denim and Vans slip-ons. And in general, this outfit is trying to emphasize the layering aspect. As you can see, I have that hoodie on to keep myself warm, but on top of that, I have this navy jacket to keep myself extra warm whenever it's windy or just chilly outside. Alright, so the last thing when it comes to styling for the fall-winter season is just having or developing your own style. Now, this is something that's more personal to you. It's not really calculated or a formula. It's just something that you enjoy personally. So for me, I generally like to wear t-shirts in the fall-winter season, and obviously jeans, because they are pants that you can wear any time of the year, really. And yeah, I'll just show you what my current style is right now. So in this last final outfit here, I am wearing, as you can see, that same navy jacket I wore in the last outfit, as well as the black Supreme Smile tee from last season, and as well as some light wash striped denim, and the Converse Chuck Taylor Fear of Gods. So this outfit is just really my own kind of style, something I would wear on a day-to-day basis, and I really like the colors as they do go well together, in my opinion. But yeah, so what you want to do when it comes to figuring out your own style is just trying out different outfits and see what works for you. Alright, so that was the video, guys, on fashion tips for the fall-winter season. I hope you found this helpful and you learned something new today about clothes or just fashion for this winter season. But anyways, if you guys have any additional tips you want to give and share with everyone else, please leave them down in the comment section. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Well, that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.